Hi there, Titans. Today I'm going to show you how to use the page unload actions in Titan Web. Now to get to the page unload actions, you can go to Pages, click on any of the three dots for the page that you want to set this page unload action on, and then you can go to Configure Actions. Here you can read the page load actions that will happen on the first time and every time that the page is loaded. And then you can also set page unload actions, and this will trigger any time that the user tries to close out of the tab or web browser while the user is on that page and has made some progress on that specific page. So let's get started with configuring this. We can turn this on to active. Here is my confirmation message, and then I can set up an action that happens when this message is shown, and then also I can configure actions that happen when the user selects yes, that they do want to leave the page or web project prematurely, or if they decide to stay on the web page and continue their progress in your project. So let's configure this on show action. So whenever they click to close out of the tab, I'm going to go ahead and create the contact, or try to create the contact with the progress that they have made, so I can keep record of their contact information. So I have created that Salesforce action, and that is going to be my on message show action. And then I'm going to also configure a action when the user clicks no and decides to stay on the page. And I'm just going to do a toast message that says, please save your progress and continue to sign document. Cool. Insert. And then I can click apply, save, and now let's preview this together. Okay, so I have my user's name, and then I'm going to close out of this tab, and you can see this is my browser confirmation message that was not configured by Titan, but this one here was. So are you sure you want to leave? And you saw that loading screen, and that's because we were saving this contact in Salesforce, and here you see that it was saved. And then if I click no, I've also configured this to show please save your progress and continue to sign the document, where now my end user can do this. And now she is continuing with her project. So that is how this functionality works and how to use the page unload actions. I hope that this video helped, and thank you for watching.